In this video we explain how to fit bird stopper extrusion to a solar panel installation. Before commencing work, ensure that the appropriate PPE is being worn and suitable equipment for working at heights, ladders and scaffolding towers are in place and secure. Carry out a general survey of the solar panel installation. Note down the number of external corners, the number of solar panel clamps around the perimeter and the approximate perimeter. You will need a tape measure, a hacksaw, a pair of snips, a 5mm Allen key, and paper and pen or pencil. Check that you have a sufficient number of straight lengths of the bird stopper extrusion. For each external corner you will need one left hand and one right hand pre-cut extrusion. Lastly, for each solar panel clamp you will require a bird stopper plate. Measure around the solar panel installation as indicated. Once you have all your measurements, prepare the left hand and right hand bird stopper extrusions for external corners. Where necessary, cut them down to the appropriate length. Fit the left hand and right hand external corner extrusions. The extrusion hooks under the panel first before clipping over the top. Make sure that the two corner sections meet and secure with a cable tie wrapped around the plastic fingers. Once external corners have been fitted, fill in the remaining gaps with straight lengths of the bird stopper extrusion. Finally, one at a time, fit a bird stopper plate to each solar panel bracket. Loosen the bracket with an Allen key sufficient to allow the plate to be fitted as demonstrated. Once the plate is in place, reapply the clamp and move on to the next solar panel bracket until each has been fitted with a bird stopper plate. Check around all the solar panels. There shouldn't be any gaps large enough to allow birds access. Job done.